Today we're going to install the TruXport tonneau cover from TruXedo on this 2019 Chevy Silverado new body style. Now this is the same install as the GMC Sierra. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, now the first thing we want to do is install a bulkhead seal. Now this truck already has a bulkhead seal and does a great job, so we're going to skip that step. But if you do not have a bulkhead seal, what you would do is you'd wipe down the top of the bulkhead with rubbing alcohol, take the bulkhead seal, peel off the tape, and then stick it from one side to the other, from one bed cap to the other bed cap. Make sure it's as far back on the bulkhead away from the cab as possible. Next, we're going to go ahead and turn to the rails. So each rail is going to have a plastic end cap on one end. What we're going to do is flip the rail upside down and see the bottom of that plastic end cap. Now in our kit, we're also going to have a seal kit that looks just like that. We're going to find the seal that coordinates with this part. It's got a little half moon shaped cutout, and we're going to put that in place. Now we're going to go ahead and do that to the other side as well. All right, next we're going to go ahead and grab our rails. We're going to flip them over and rest them on top of our bed caps. Let me show you how they align. The Velcro is going to be kind of angled up and out of the bed. The plastic end cap is going to be facing towards the bulkhead. So we got a driver's side and we have a passenger side. We're going to go ahead and set them on top of the bed caps right now. All right, so just go ahead and set your rail on top of the bed cap. This portion of the end cap is going to be lined up with the bulkhead seal. Do this on both sides. Next, we're going to go ahead and take our roll and line it up to here. We're going to connect the two together. All right, so when we bring our roll up to the rails, what I want to point out is that the bottom of the header rail has a seal. That seal needs to be faced down towards our bulkhead. Then this part of the end cap is going to slide into this part of the rail. So we want to make sure they're nice and aligned before they slide in together. Also make sure your strap is hanging down into the bed of the truck. Repeat that on the opposite side. All right, so now we can go ahead and center this in the bed of the truck. And once we do that, we're going to loosely install our clamps. Okay, now you're given 3 clamps per side. This is what they look like. I've already gone ahead and backed this bolt almost all the way out. What you're going to do is you're going to line up first clamp as far forward as possible, the last clamp as far back as possible, and the center clamp just centered in the middle. Just make sure as you're attaching the clamps, there's no obstructions underneath the bed cap where you put it. What we're going to do is we're going to spread that apart. We're going to turn it sideways, hook the bottom, turn it back over, and make sure that the grooves in the clamp line up to the grooves in the rail. Once we do that, we're going to squeeze that together and then tighten it down by hand. Once you get that hand tight, that's all we're going to do for right now. We don't want to tighten it down all the way, and repeat that on the other 2 clamps. We can still move our rail side to side. Make sure the end of the rail is right even with the end of the bed cap right here, and repeat the same process on the opposite side. All right, now before we start rolling the tarp back, make sure it's centered side to side. Before it attaches to the Velcro, you can actually slide this tarp side to side to get it centered. Then we're going to go ahead and start rolling it back. Now make sure you're mindful of where your support bows are landing. If your support bow drops down where there is a clamp, you need to move that clamp. Now once we get all the way to the back, what we're going to do is take the tail rail and drop it into this notch. Make sure you have about an 1/8 inch gap from one side to the other, and also make sure these rails are centered in the bed of the truck. So if it's too wide out, you need to pull the rails in. Just make sure each of those rails are pulled in to the same width on each side. Rotate that down. That locks in place. Next we'll go ahead and unlatch the cover on each side. At this point, we can go ahead and attach our seals on the bottom corners. Do the same thing on the opposite side. All right, now that our tail seals are installed and our rails are aligned, we're going to very gently roll the cover towards the cab of the truck, making sure we don't take our rails out of alignment. And go ahead and tighten down our clamps. Now we're going to test the operation of the cover and check fit. Well, that concludes the installation. If you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.